welcome back, my peeps. I hope y'all all been doing good and staying safe, healthy, and crafty as usual. So today in this video, I'm gonna do a couple. I'm gonna start doing a couple like summer treats and stuff. I don't know how many I'm gonna make, but I'll say about maybe 3, 4. Maybe it could be more than that. I don't know. But anyways, I just wanted to mention the little time-lapse video that I put up before this one. I'm just trying new things because I know some people, they don't want to see long videos. They just want to see, a quick video and just move on. So I'm trying to get with the times. But, kind of late to the game, but I'm trying. And another thing is that today I will be picking the winner of the 1,000 subscribers giveaway, but I'm going to do that at the end of the video, okay? So today I'm going to do a pretty simple, easy fake bake. So those what they call like Dippin' Dots or ice cream dots. I don't know if you ever had it. I never tasted them. I don't even know how it tastes, but this is what I made. There's a little bowl and it got some Dippin' Dots in it. This is actually a trademark name, so I don't recommend that, you get this, but I'm using the bowl. And this is just some foam beads from Dollar Tree, right? So you need some foam beads from Dollar Tree. You're going to need to get you some of these little bowls. There's 12 of them in a pack for $1, which is a great deal. You're going to need a bowl to mix stuff in. You're going to need a plastic spoon, so you can make it look like there's a spoon in there, which is really not the whole spoon. It's just actually just the handle. But you also need a spoon to stir with, which is the same spoon you could use to mix that in. So, when you mess with these foam balls, they get all over the place and they act crazy. I ain't happy about these. When I have to use these, I get all... Because you know what? 2 days from now, I'm going to find some of these darn foam balls. They just get on my nerves. But anyways, somebody, I don't remember where I saw it, they said to put them in a baggie and put a, what you call these things? What the name is on it? A fabric sheet. And put them in a baggie. And just leave it there, like rubbing around every once in a while. And it helps. It's not going to take away all the static, but I have to say that it does help a little bit. It surely does. So what I did was, right, I took the, see, it's not, like, they're not all crazy, like, sticking to the top and everything. So what I did was I took the little bowl and I filled it up to how much I think I want, right? Well, some of them had to get out the container, But you see, they're not acting crazy. So I say the fabric sheet is definitely a good help with this. I recommend it. You're gonna need some Mod Podge. I think I'm gonna use the gloss one. It really doesn't matter which kind you would use. So you take your beads and you put them. See, I mean, they still gonna act crazy, but for the most part, not as crazy as usual. I put some extra white foam ones because usually, like, when I was looking at the pictures of these Dippin' Dots or dot ice cream, as you want to call it, I noticed that it had like more white, so I went with that. Just mix them around. Come on, don't start getting crazy now. These little foam balls, they are a pain in the neck. Anyways, I'm all out of the camera. Sorry, y'all. Let me fix this. Alright, so you're going to take some of the glue. You don't need a lot. You don't want to like saturate it. You just want enough to cover the balls and enough for them to stick together. That's it. So start with a little bit. And you're just going to mix it around. Mix it around. It's going to stick to the spoon because, hello, it's glue. And plus, these foam balls, they stick to everything. You see how it look? It's starting to get like a little chunky. That's because the balls are sticking to the glue. You might need to get a craft stick so you could take the balls off. Because, you know, these foam balls, they have a mind of their own. You keep mixing. Make sure you get everything covered. If you think you need some more glue, just add a little bit, but you don't need to add a lot. See, like this one is good. It ain't going nowhere. And you don't want it to like, you don't want to see like extra glue around it. So that's why you're just going to put what you need. You don't need to add too much, make it too runny. You don't want that. You just want it to be covered enough. And I think this is good. Oops. So then you take it. Now I got crazy foam balls with glue. Now that's a good combo. Alright, so you take it and you just scoop it in there. Try to smash it down a little bit. Get your craft stick and help you get all this stuff off of your spoon. Get some more. Put it in there. You can fill it up as much as you want, as little as you... I mean, you know what I always say. This is your creation. You fill it up as much or as little as you want. But I think that's good. Right? You don't want to lay it down perfectly, you know. You want it to look like, you know, like... Bro. You don't want to smash it all down and make it look all perfectly even. That's what I'm trying to say. Just let it be. When you buy the ice cream, it's not perfect. It's not going to be perfect. And plus, you don't want it to look that way. You want it to look like real ice cream. Ooh, these foam balls, child. Okay. So now let me just go around a little bit. So now the spoon is not, it don't fit in, I mean, it does fit in there, but it'll look weird because half of the spoon is going to be sticking out. So what I recommend is that you break it. Oh, ooh. And you stick the spoon in there. Wherever, like if you want to, you know, get you a one of these cups with the name on it, it's fine. You want to find a label somewhere else, that's up to you. But I do not recommend that you sell anything with a copyrighted name on it. I just made this one for me. Y'all know I don't sell my stuff. I just make it. Got a little sharp edge here. Alright. So you take it and you just stick it in there. And then you want to take, this is what I did. Take the your Mod Podge and just put a drop or two right where the spoon is at, and it's gonna sink down into the thing. And you take your little dipping dots and you just cover that up a little bit. So you make sure your spoon ain't going nowhere. Right? And that's it. It can't be no easier than this. But look how cute. Your little cup of dot ice cream. Right? I like it. I love it. This one is already dry, so it looks bright. That one is still wet, so it's dull. But anyway, guys, this is it. This is your dot ice cream. I thought it was a great idea. Everything is from Dollar Tree. So you can make tons of these. And it won't break the bank. I just thought it was so cute, easy. And you know me, I'm always thinking of something. Like, I look at it and I see something else. Even though I never even had these in real life. I don't even know what they taste like. I have no idea. So anyways, here goes the box that the winner is going to get, right? So I got my phone here, and I'm using, oh Lord, I'm using this app called Comment Picker, right? So let's see. Let me make sure I got the right video. So hold on, give me a minute. Even though I did set it up, but I took too long, so I don't know if it erased it or what. So I want to make sure that I got the right video. So I'm gonna go to my video. I'm gonna pick the great. All right, so I'm gonna pick the video. Got the video. Now I'm gonna take it back over here, and you have to put it in this box, right? So I'm putting it in the box. Take out whatever was in there. Paste it. That's the video. Make sure I have, let's see. Boom. I think that's good. So I think I need to hit this button over here, right? Because I'm terrible with this thing. This can't, hold on, let me turn off this light right here. Can you see it better? Can you see it better? No, it don't look better at all. Okay, let me try to, all right, I think I gotta hit this. Am I hitting the right button? Lord Jesus. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to hit that, right? Oh no, I gotta get the comments first. Duh. And then I hit the start button. So look, it's picking names. Picking it. Who? It said Chris G. Chris G. See that? Chris G. You are the winner. So Chris, get in contact with me. Leave me a message with your email or however I can contact you for your address, and I will send this box out ASAP. It's a nice size box. It has that little box of embellishments, you know, with the cherries and the strawberries and the fake gummy bears and all that good stuff. So Chris, contact me as soon as possible. And for the rest of you guys, we'll have other I can't talk. We will have other giveaways somewhere down the road, you know. And I just want to thank everyone for watching my videos, for commenting, for leaving your kind words. They really mean a lot to me, because, you know, this is all new to me, making videos and sharing all this stuff and trying to come up with things that you guys might like, trying to be a little original, even though some things, you know, you guys probably seen before, but I try to make original things, or I'll try to make things that you guys might be interested in, or something that was already made, but I'll show it to you in a bit of a easier type way, so you can make it too. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go, and until the next video, I want y'all to stay safe, healthy, and crafty, and, you know, just I would like to, if you guys tag me on some of y'all creations, so I can see if y'all made any of this stuff. I would really like to see that. You know, you got my social medias down in the comments. I mean, in the information area. So, you know, shout me out. Let me see what you guys made. Until then, I will be talking to you in the next video when I come with my next craft. I don't know if it's a fake bake or a treat, whatever. But I'll see you then. God bless.